How to connect with the right customers for your product or service. Interesting. I was driving now on the road and I see there's a hell of a lot of cars outside, and it's not a shop or a shopping center. It's just next to the road. As I drive past, I see, okay, there's an auction company obviously there. And then as I drive, I just pick on security company, security, but all different security companies. There's well, like 20 or 30 different vehicles, different companies. And then I thought to myself, okay, there must be an auction going in there, and there's something security related. Why will these guys be there otherwise? And so it's important when you try to reach your customer to get to the customer that you want to do business with. Obviously, the auctioneer dialed in his marketing for this auction. He made sure there's a lot of security companies there that will know the value, understand the pricing, and understand the cost and the value of the products that he's selling there, the items that he's selling there. So what's going to happen? These guys are going to bid against each other, and he's going to get much more than if he just anyone who doesn't understand the products or the services. And then the first problem is there is price sensitivity. If you don't get the right customer, the first thing they're going to say to you, hmm, this is why is it so much? Because they don't understand what you're providing value wise and service wise and product wise. So it's important that you get to the right customer. It will just make your life easier. If people are complaining about your price, don't just drop your price. It's never the price. They don't understand what you're offering. Make sure that you tell them, explain for them what are you offering. It's not the price. The price is the first thing people go to and say, it's too expensive, because they don't have enough information to decide whether it's a good deal or not. I'm curious about what other tradesmen think about this. Agree? Disagree? Let me know.